That's the road that we cut where the equipment is stored going up to the White House from the back of the Bobcat room, which is right here. So there's the road. It kind of drops off into this flat right here where I want to put the solar array in here. We have a rocky knoll right there that needs to be knocked down somewhat, but we actually have from that rock right there, from that rock right there, if you can see it in the center of the frame, which is spray painted orange, from there to there, where that rock in the center of the frame is spray painted orange, that's over 100 feet. That's about 125 feet. So we should have plenty of room to level this area out. And if you look in the center of the frame there, where that root kind of thing is, or where that rock is spray painted orange, from there to out in the distance, if you can see, that's a little over 100 feet. That's like about 120 feet. But what's good is that we don't have to worry about shadow because we're clearing the trees along this whole ridge. We're clearing them and clearing the brush. We have plenty of room to shift it to the right depending on how that rocky knoll gets knocked down. So this is roughly where the solar array will be put. Again, I don't know if the picture shows the rise there, right where that row of rocks is. You see that piece of that piece of heavy equipment there, the backhoe. You see the rocks that form this line coming across. Basically, even at that point, if we put the bottom edge of the array at that level, we should be able to run out in this direction and put in our posts. We should have plenty of room in this area, I believe, to put in 4 100-foot runs. The depth doesn't necessarily need to be 100 feet. So from this rock that's painted to that rock out there that's painted, basically we don't need 100 feet for the 4 rows. I would say we maybe need 60 feet, but I wanted to make sure that there was extra room in case we wanted to expand the array in the future at some point. So this is just so that you can see what I'm talking about. When I show you the video, you can kind of see the footprint for the array. Will be right there. Now we have some more equipment to move out of this area, but I have in this area right here, you can see these marks on that post from there to that first T there, which is about 8 feet. That's another 8 feet. And then behind this drum here, which you can't quite see, there's another 8 feet. You can see that mark there on the ground. That's another 8 feet. I was going to pour 3 slabs that are going to be 20. So from here to there, about 20 feet. So it'd be 8 by 20, an 8 by 20, and then another 8 by 20. That'll help it to level. We could put expansion gaps there. It'll keep it level. 8 feet should be fine. The battery array right now, the power module array right now is only 6 foot 6'6". If we want to expand, we would have enough room to expand in this room. What I'd like to do is put right where this foundation meets the new foundation. You can see the edge of the foundation there. What I want to do is it's going to be a block wall coming up about 8 feet, 8 to 10 feet high. We're going to put a single man door entering that covered area there, where I'd also like to put the 2 MQ generators right on the back side of the equipment room here. So the power modules and the inverters and the charge controllers will be in this room, this new room, and that area there, which had that big compressor, that'll actually be the area where the 2 generators will be put. We just have to put some walls up to kind of protect it and maybe secure the roof. It doesn't need to be in a masonry building. So anyway, get an idea. I did an awesome job of clearing this area. They did an awesome job. They've been working really hard. Not only have they been cutting it down, but we've also had to get rid of all of the brush, which you can see they're burning right out there right now. They're burning and cutting all at the same time. Very good. Opens, airs it out. Effectively, to give you a bearing, if you go straight that way, in fact, in the distance there, you might be able to see in the top of the frame, you'll actually see the tower at the White House where the transmitter is for the Wi-Fi. Is right there. In fact, right now, without a transmitter here, I'm actually picking up full Wi-Fi. So, all right, just give you an idea so you can see it. Picture's worth 1,000 words. I'll take some stills.